we've been a Robinson dealer since 1989. We're here to do a little photo shoot that will be a around the world look at what Robinsons do in different countries, and we're happy to show them what British Columbia looks like.
In 2007 I did a book called Robbie, and the subtext was the Robinson helicopter experience. And then they said, we'd like to sponsor you to go around the world to do a new book on our helicopters.
The idea is to go out and get some great pictures so that we can see what the Robinson looks like when it's flying in the backcountry of southwestern BC.
We could initially think about kind of departing northwest, do a few inlines, look at the hillside.
So we can start out with the two of you in formation out the route, I guess, out the northwest route.
Yeah.
Just bear in mind that whenever we move the helicopter, that is the lens.
Yes.
That is the lens.
Okay, all right. All right, let's go do that. Okay, great.
Okay, George, I'm just going to lift off here, and I'm Hotel Victor Kilo +2, and I'm switching over to tower, all right? I was looking at the snow here ahead and upstate Lake, so basically where we're headed is what I had in mind. Really have some beautiful areas. Yeah, we just need weather to cooperate, and it's very pretty then. George, I'm going to come up a little tighter to you. So I'm coming up beside you a little tighter, kind of sideways here.
You want to target about 60, Kathy?
I'll turn a little bit while you're headed up to the hills. I just got to get close enough to you. Okay, so he's turning a little bit gentle right. I got to keep up here.
I think if we were going away from this location, that would look cool. With that in the background.
Okay.
Cross over in front of them if you can. I'm an intuitive photographer, so when I see it, that's the shot. It's almost impossible to anticipate what you're going to get to a place you've never been before. When you see something, you feel it, you think, this is it, and you respond to the drama. Drama is, can't explain it really, it just is. It's like an emotional thing. It either exists or it doesn't. I mean, I can't create it. That's what you're waiting for. That's it. Beautiful. Well, that looks fantastic.
Okay.
Yeah.
When we go out on a photo shoot, our biggest consideration at the top of the list is safety. And after safety, then what we're trying to do is get some great pictures.
Yep, straight over there.
Oh, yeah.
10 o'clock.
Okay, I'll put it a little tighter. Sometimes it's a little challenging when we're downwind and we're uptight up to hills and we don't have a lot of airspeed. Okay, I'm following the two of you, so I'm not going in a different direction, but I'm always behind. And then when you guys get kind of set up, I'll come up beside you and go in front of you for the shot coming out.